Hey now, and welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the creek. The plan is today, guys, is we're going to head upstream and do a slow ride down the creek. The plan is today, guys, we're going to paddle upstream and just kind of do a slow drift down the creek. Got two rods with me today. Got my medium heavy. I'll be throwing some Neds, swim baits. And then I have an ultralight set up as well. Before we get in there, let's throw under this bridge. There's usually some fish stacked up over here, so. Look at this beautiful spot, guys. We got some shoreline here, so we're gonna fish this area here. You can see, I'm not sure how deep it is over there. You can see where the current's coming in. It looks pretty shallow there. Shallow here, but it looks deep on this other side. So I'm gonna grab a rod. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna start with today, guys. That's what we're gonna start it off with today, guys. Peanut butter and jelly. TRD, weedless. Fish are jumping like crazy over here. Bet you they can't resist this. Watch. So what we got, guys, this is a topwater swimming frog. Just swims on the top. It's called a ribbit. That's it right there. Baby ribbit. Bullfrog. And it's garlic scented. I have a couple left, so let's try it. They're hitting the top, so. Oh, tripping over stuff. I got a P&J TRD tied back on. Nothing on top water. They're still jumping every now and then, not as much as they were. Man, I cannot get a bite, guys. To save my life. There's a fish. Alrighty, guys, I got one right when my camera died. And I had him just right here in the shallow water changing batteries, but he came up. It was a smallmouth bass. That's what we got there, guys. Hot snake is the color. I'm trying to throw over here, guys. Not sure how deep it is. It's shallow here on this side. But it looks a little deeper over there. Where the current's coming down, we're going to try there first. Should hold a few fish in here. There's a fish. Small. Gonna hit the water. First one on camera. It is about time. There he is. First one on camera, smallmouth. Got him right where these rapids are, right in that corner there. See you, dude. And I knew it was prime spot for a smallie to be there, but I was trying through here. It's deep right here, but no takers. Just throw it back over there, right in that corner there. There's another bite. There he is. Get back for it. There's number two, about the same size. Ow. He just got me good. Sorry guys, I tried to show you him. Spiked me. I guess I deserved it though, right? Since I'm the one that did put a hook in his mouth. I'm literally putting it on the shoreline over there. Just kind of letting it drift down in the current. See? Oh, it came off. Will we come back for it? It's where they're waiting. I didn't set the hook good enough. There's one. It seems better, I would say. Probably because it's just in the current. It's a fall fish. Oop. See you, dude. Man, I keep slipping out of my hands. It's number 3 right in that same spot. There's one. Ooh, this one's better, guys. It's not huge by any means, but yeah. Just trying to get off though. Yeah, he's good. He's better than I thought. Wow. Oh yeah, he's a good fish. He's a good fish, guys. Oh yeah, look at this fish. Nice. Let's go measure you real quick. Oh, he's 16, guys. Wait, that's a 16-incher. Nice. Let's let him go. See you, dude. How about that, guys? Thumbs up for that fish. Man, I didn't think there was gonna be a big one over there, but you never know. Yeah, guys, straight from me is where he hit it, right on that other shoreline there where it's deeper. That's what you want to look for, guys, though. Fast moving water into slack water, and it's deep. Always cast upstream. So you want your lure to come downstream, because what these fish do is they're facing upstream. So if you're throwing it downstream and casting it back, more than likely you're not going to get the fish. You're not going to catch as many, I should say. And most of the time they're going to be right on that shoreline. That was awesome. 16-inch. He was probably pushing 2 pounds. At first he wasn't really biting that much. I think he might have been running at me at first. I'm thinking, oh man, another fall fish, but subscribe for more content like that, guys. I'm posting videos every week. Right now I'm posting probably 2 videos, probably every 8 days, every 4 days or so I post a video right now. It's just getting time to do it. It takes so long, so I do appreciate those thumbs up if you do like this content. I hope you do. Still have that baby goat tied on, hot snake. This lure is awesome. The TRD was always my favorite for like Ned rig style baits, but this lure is definitely taken over that spot, I think. And I normally am throwing these weedless. You're not going to lose as many jig heads like you could use the open ones, but you just lose so many of them, especially when you have rocky areas like this, where this time of year there's a lot of weeds. Not so much in this creek. You know, every cast you're clearing the weeds off. When you go weedless, when you Texas rig it, you're not gonna have to do that as much. Check it out, guys. Check it out, we got some deer. Chomping down on some weeds. Oh, so cool. He's gonna drink some water. Oh man. I don't even think he sees me. I'm probably about 25 yards from him. As soon as I throw this lure, watch, he'll hear it and he'll run. Sees me? He's feeding something down there. What did I eat in the water? He's digging for something. I've never seen that before. Anybody that knows what he's doing, leave in the comments below. What is he? Crawfish maybe? Or just bugs? Oh, he's eating the grass in there. That's what he's doing, I think. He knows I'm here, and he's not even bothered by me. Here's a fish. Here we go. There he is, guys. corner over here usually holds some fish. Let's try there. Here's a fish. Doesn't seem that bad. He's been pretty good. Not huge by any means, but he's wrapped up in some weeds. He's small. There he is. Not a bad little smallie. See you, bro. Alrighty guys, we're going to switch it up ultralight style. We have a 1/64 ounce mule jig and a 1-inch gulp minnow. I'm going to try that in this area. Fish this area for a bit with the medium setup. Couple little bites. They don't want this. A couple little nibbles, I should say. Try under this tree here. There's a fish. It's a bass. Oh, he's jumping all over. So much fun on the ultralight, guys. He's not that big, but a 1-inch gulp minnow. In the corner of the mouth. Not a bad little fish, especially on the ultralight. Put up a nice fight. See if there's another one under there. Yep. £3-pound test, guys. Taking our time with them. Just tire them out. Oh my God, he's so small too. Second one under the tree. There's a fish. Little guy. Little guy. There's a fish. Little fish in the rain. Rainfish. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. We caught a whole bunch of small little fish today. We did catch that one that was about 16 inches. So all in all, it was a pretty decent day. But like always, guys, if you do like this content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.